I'm going to show you and tell you guys why I prefer the GlowRecipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide DewDrops Ultimate Glow Plus Brightening over the Good Molecules. Good Molecules is great, but Good Molecule also makes a niacinamide serum. But this is like, look how much older this is. And I have half the bottle. And this one is only a few months old, and I only have a little bit left. I'm going to show you guys why right now. When you get a call from an unknown number, answer it and whisper quickly, "It's done, but there's blood everywhere." I love the GlowRecipe because it smells wonderful. It smells like watermelon, but check this out, what it does on the skin. So this is the GlowRecipe, right? And this one here is the Good Molecules. Okay, first off, this is the GlowRecipe, and it dries 100 times faster than the molecules, the Good Molecules.